crispy reviews and tips once again. So today let's learn about activated charcoal and different ways of using it. So let's go. Activated charcoal is different from barbecue charcoal. Activated charcoal is a kind of porous and negatively charged charcoal which is processed under very high temperature. And due to this porous nature, it traps dirt and toxins easily. Due to this reason, it has been used since 1500 BC by Egyptians for different treatments. Activated charcoal has been used in skincare widely because it helps pull out the microparticles which is clogged inside the skin pores like toxins, dirt and bacteria. It brings it to the surface of the skin so that it can be removed easily. When dirt and impurities are removed from the pores of the skin, it unclogs the pores and makes the pores smaller. For treating acne, activated charcoal works as a good exfoliating substance that helps remove oil and dirt from the skin, which helps prevent acne. So let's see how to use it. Mix 1 tablespoon of activated charcoal powder with 2 tablespoons of honey or aloe vera gel and apply it to face, allow it to dry and then wash it off with water and then with a mild soap to remove any remaining charcoal particles. Do not use it more than once a week on your face. So now let's see how to use it for dandruff. Activated charcoal helps eliminate fungal infections and dandruff. For this, mix activated charcoal with some water and apply it to your scalp. Allow it to rest for about 10 minutes and then wash it off with your regular shampoo. For insect bite, mix some activated charcoal with some water and apply it to the affected area and allow it to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off with water. This helps subside the swelling. For teeth whitening, mix activated charcoal with some water and apply it all over your teeth. Be careful with your gums. Allow it to rest for about 2 minutes and then scrub it off very gently. Do not use too much pressure because it can damage your teeth. So after this, wash your mouth and use your regular toothpaste to brush your teeth to remove any remaining charcoal particles. Do not use charcoal on teeth regularly because it can damage the enamel of your teeth. So once in 2 weeks will be good enough. Always make sure you buy activated charcoal from an authentic seller because you don't want to get adulterated products. Here is 100% pure and natural activated charcoal from Tegu. It's 100% vegan, gluten-free and non-GMO. So if you wish to buy this product, please check the link in the description box. And if you found this video helpful, do subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. See you soon in another useful video like this. Until then,